Hey, what's going on? I'm devoinnholland, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the best way to start working out in these 4 easy steps. Now, a lot of people, they start their workout routine and they stop their workout routine and they start their nutrition program and they start drinking water and they're doing such a great job, and they stop again and they do it again and again and again and again. And it's a very exhausting process, but I do give them props because you keep trying. Now, I'm going to give you these 4 easy steps that's going to help you see results consistently and allow yourself to develop the habits to maintain a healthy lifestyle. So let's get moving. Okay, the first step you want to take is writing down your goals and targets. Now, writing down your goals and targets is analogous to driving to a specific destination. If you're driving to a specific destination, it's only a matter of time before you get there. But if you don't have a specific destination, most likely you're going to be going in the wrong direction, and eventually you're going to run out of fuel. And people do this every day. They create vague goals like, I'm going to lose 20 pounds, but they never end up getting there, and most likely they're going to end up gaining more weight than they started. Why? Because the goal is too vague. A goal that's worth working toward is, I'm going to lose 20 pounds in 6 months. And not only that, not only adding a time frame, but also saying, I'm going to lose 20 pounds in 6 months, and I'm going to start by committing myself to walking on the treadmill every day for the next 30 days for at least 20 minutes a day. Now, that is a worthy goal and a useful step to take to move yourself into the direction of losing that 20 pounds. Now, many people don't write down their goals in this way, and that's why they don't see the results that they desire. So write down your goal, be specific, have a time frame, also have your first step that you will accomplish, and after that first step, then you can start writing down a few new steps so you can continue to move into the direction of your goal. All right, so let's start that now and let's keep moving. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is track your body composition. Now, tracking your body composition is important because if your goals and targets are your destination, then your body composition is more like your starting location. And that's important to have that reference so that you can consistently work towards your goals. Now, your body composition consists of your weight, your height, your BMI, your muscle percentage, your body fat percentage. Now, those are going to be the most important, but you will have scales out there that will give you your bone percentage, your water percentage, and your visceral fat levels, and your resting metabolism. Now, those are also great data points, but those are yet less usable to the everyday person. So let's just focus on your body weight, your muscle percentage, and your body fat percentage. You need to know if the muscle percentage is going up or staying solid, or if your body fat percentage is going up or down. So having that information is going to be crucial to consistently seeing yourself work towards your goals. Oh, my apologies. The next thing you're going to want to do is track your nutrition. Now, tracking your nutrition is not as simple as it sounds, but it can be, because you don't have to track your nutrition forever. It's important to track your nutrition for a certain period of time to make sure that the routine that you develop in your eating habits are the nutrition habits that allow you to reach your goals. Now, I tell my clients, hey, track your nutrition for a week or two. We're going to optimize your breakfast And after you optimize your breakfast and start eating that consistently, then we can move on to tracking your lunches and seeing how we can optimize your lunches so you're getting the right macros so that you can start seeing even more results. And after that, we go even further and start tracking the dinners and saying, hey, take 2 weeks, track these dinners, let me see what you're eating and let me see if everything else is still consistent. That way, when we're tracking your macros and we're making sure everything is in alignment, you can truly see the goals that you desire. Now, a lot of people look at that and say, well, f that, I'm not gonna track my nutrition, that's gonna take forever, and I eat like absolute shit. Well, you won't see results. That's just a fact. But if you're willing to take 2 weeks and track your nutrition, starting with your breakfast or your lunches, whichever one you think is most problematic, and then begin to develop a habit of eating consistent, nutritious foods that work you towards your goals, I promise you, not only are you gonna see great results, but you might get some of these. The most important thing to know is, what are you eating already and how much of that are you eating? Because you may not need to change your entire lunch or breakfast. Maybe there's just 1 or 2 things you need to add in or maybe even take out. Regardless, knowing what you eat is gonna benefit you and it's gonna show you exactly where you're going wrong or what you're doing right, or at the minimum, how far you are away from where you wanna be. Lastly, you want to take progress photos. Progress photos allows you to see things that your body composition won't show you. And if you've seen yourself over and over again, sometimes seeing a past picture of yourself really gives you a reflection of how far you've come. That's going to be vital to motivate you and to show you that, hey, you're moving in the right direction. All you need to do is just keep moving. Hey, thanks again for watching this video. I appreciate your time. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you are interested in learning more about exercises that you can do to start seeing results, if you're beginning your fitness journey, go ahead and watch this video. This channel is about showing people practical, simple exercises and lifestyle hacks that they can do to start living out the fitness lifestyle that they desire. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe. And until next time, let's keep moving.